Hi, I'm Susie.
Hi, I'm Coco.
We're going to teach you how to do our favourite meditation. It's called Golden Beam.
It's really fun and powerful.
It brings instant peace and lots of good feelings.
It makes your imagination bigger and brighter than ever.
We're going to teach you the steps of how to do this meditation so you will be able to do it anytime, anywhere, even without this video.
The power of the golden beam will be yours!
Are you ready to go? Let's do it. Step 1. Sit tall with a relaxed body. Step 2. Imagine you are sitting peacefully on top of the earth, with the great sun shining above you. Imagine your heart is big, golden, and glowing. It will look a little bit like this. Step 4. The secret key to creating your golden beam is by connecting your breath with your imagination. So with your next breath in, imagine the golden light from your heart is beaming up to the sun. With your next breath out, imagine your heart is beaming light down to the center of the earth. Keep this rhythm going. Breathing in, your heart beams light up to the sun. Breathing out, your heart beams light down to the center of the earth. Keep going. Keep imagining your golden beam is getting bigger and brighter with each breath. Step 5. Now here's the exciting part. Imagine that when your heart beam reaches the center of the sun, the great sun beams golden light back to you, and this light is filled with calm, creative energy and many bright ideas just for you. Feel this warm, amazing energy filling your golden beam. Now for your out breath. When your heart beam reaches the heart of Mother Earth, she sends golden light back up to you, and her light is filled with loving, protective energy and lots of wisdom just for you. You're doing so well. Keep this breathing rhythm going in your own time. Breathing in, your beam reaches up to the sun sends powerful energy to you. Breathing out, your beam reaches down to Mother Earth, and she sends powerful loving energy back up to you. It's a beautiful cycle. The more you do this, the stronger and brighter your golden beam grows. The longer you do this meditation for, the longer lasting your golden beam will be. Know that the sun is above you, the earth is below you, and you are in the center, safe in your golden beam. By the end of this meditation, you will feel greater than ever before. We encourage you to practice Golden Beam meditation every day and let us know how you go. Lots of love. from us here at the Children's Imagination Academy. Keep being your great self.
Remember, stay bright.